Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NIO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're new to charts and not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Did this analysis on Thursday, so that is where the green line here is coming from. And to give credit where credit's due, the bulls, they're holding very, very strong. Now, this morning, things certainly started off very shaky with the gap and trap. I mean, the price... So if you're not familiar actually with what a gap and trap is, on Thursday the price closed right there. This morning the price opened right there, hence the gap up. But then after the gap up, I mean, it was just a nasty move straight down. And part of the going straight down was actually breaking through this 225-ish area, that green line, and just continued on down. But like I said, and this is where you got to just nod your head to the bulls that did a good job, stabilized out, went sideways, and then eventually got back above it, and then spent the rest of the day, once again, that level going right back to acting as support like it's done several times in the past. So 225. Now, I would certainly agree that it got weakened up today, but even though it is a weakened level of support, it is still a level of support nonetheless. So that is, remains that ideal level that you want to see hold. In the event the price doesn't hold above it, though, I am going to adjust this level up now that we have more data points. And you can see that this 220 mark now has quite a bit of a track record. That is where, the last time this nasty movement happened, bounced, and then weird. Again, the nasty movement happened again, and oh, look, bounced right off 220. So it's almost like 220 is the nasty level. Whenever things get nasty, the price has bounced off that level twice now at that point. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or new there to report. Still all about that purple line, which is the 50-period moving average with the current value at $2.37. So if there is any sort of attempted movements back to the upside, that 50-period moving average going to be public enemy number one that you need to keep an eye on. So overall, though, nice recovery from the early morning action, and we'll see if the bulls can build upon it or not next week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.